there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions a whole lot easier and way more entertaining. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the Gleesfun G11MINI. Buckle up because we're about to take flight into some serious tech talk. And a sprinkle of fun, too. Alright, let's kick things off with the all-important price. The Ruko U11S will set you back a cool $283. Not too shabby, right? But wait, the Gleesfun G11MINI swoops in at $299. That's $16 more, just enough to buy yourself a nice lunch while waiting for your drone to charge. So if you're on a budget, the Ruko might just be your new best friend. But let's not make any snap decisions yet. We've got a lot more to cover. Next up, the camera showdown. The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera. Perfect for capturing those "I'm totally not scared of height" shots. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI brings an upgraded 4K camera that shoots 2.7K 50 FPS or 4K 25 FPS with a 120 degrees FOV. Plus, it's got a vertical adjustment from 0 degrees to -90 degrees. Talk about flexibility. Reviewers have praised the Ruko for its clear video and stability even in windy conditions. On the other hand, the Gleesfun has been lauded for its smooth videos and wide-angle shots. If you're all about those crispy, detailed shots and wide-angle views, Gleesfun might just have the edge here. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The Ruko gives you a decent 40 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. But the Gleesfun G11MINI is like the Energizer Bunny of drones. It just keeps going and going with a whopping 60 minutes of flight time. Reviewers have noted that the Ruko's battery life is quite good, but the Gleesfun's 30-minute per battery performance is a clear winner here. So if you want to take your drone on a marathon flight, Gleesfun's got your back. Just don't forget to bring snacks. For you, not the drone. Both drones claim to be beginner-friendly, but let's see who's really holding your hand here. The Ruko U11S has a transmitter that charges directly and features 1 key functions for easy operation. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels. On the flip side, the Gleesfun G11MINI has a beginner mode and auto-return features, perfect for the "oops, I lost my drone" moments. Plus, it's got both remote and app control. Reviewers have found the Ruko to be very easy to learn and fly, making it great for beginners. However, the Gleesfun's additional safety features and ease of control make it a strong contender for newbies. If you're new to the drone game and need all the help you can get, Gleesfun's got you covered. Let's talk about looks and durability. Because who doesn't want a drone that's both stylish and sturdy? The Ruko U11S is foldable and compact, making it a perfect travel companion. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But the Gleesfun G11MINI isn't just about looks. It's got a sleek, dark green shell and a camera shield for extra durability. So if you're prone to crash landings, this might be your new best friend. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration required. Reviewers have praised the Ruko for its solid build and portability, while the Gleesfun receives high marks for its durability and stylish design. If you want a drone that's both a looker and a survivor, Gleesfun is calling your name. Overall, both the Ruko U11S and Gleesfun G11MINI have received positive reviews. The Ruko is praised for its stability, ease of use, and solid performance even in windy conditions, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Gleesfun impresses with its advanced features, extended flight time, and durable design, making it suitable for both hobbyists and more experienced users. So there you have it, folks, the Ruko U11S versus the Gleesfun G11MINI. Both drones have their strengths and quirks, but the choice is ultimately yours. Are you Team Ruko or Team Gleesfun? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. See ya, smart shoppers! Product links are in the description.